Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sylvanian Families Town Series Flower Gifts Playset. Let's know a bit about our Milk Rabbit girl. As a flower ranger, Catherine's dream is to make everyone happy through flowers. She loves to talk, and when someone asks her for some flowers, she'll chat away cheerfully while creating the perfect bouquet for them. The animated Catherine and Miranda, the flower shop owner, are best friends who are always on the same page. That sounds really lovely. And here are all of the contents. Here we can see the wonderful picture of the rabbit girl in the flower shop. So we've got Catherine with her flowers, this collection catalogue, this storybook, and some instructions. Now I'm going to quickly show you the pictures in the book, and you can pause them to read it if you want to. And now let's get all the things out. So we've got this heart-shaped box of red roses. It looks really nice and just perfect for St. Valentine's Day. And with bouquet of tulips. There are pale pink, and red tulips in here. And it's decorated by this pretty nice red bow. I just gave our bouquet to the Milk Rabbit girl and it looks really nice. I also want to pay your attention on her wonderful outfit. The dress looks amazing with all of its white flowers and with white lace and the white collar. I also really love with golden element with the diamond in the middle. It looks very beautiful. And the bow on her ear looks amazing. Please guys, share the video with your friends if it's not difficult. Love you all. Bye.